Okay, so this is a on click display car values document dot write. The name of the car is car dot name. So what is this car? Car is an object. What is this name? The property name. So what is this one? The property value. Okay, we'll tell once again. We yesterday we have discussed about events, functions, object. So this all are correlated each other. Okay, so the first one is event is something that is happened. Clicking is an event. So dragging is an event, and a right click is an event. Double click is also an event. So many events are there. If you want to see events, so just to control forward slash, you are going to be see on click on blur like that. So these are all the events. Event means you are doing a something action oriented. So then once you do an event, then it is a calling a display function. How we can define a function? If anything, any text after that there is a open close bracket, no, then we can treat as a function. Any text. So this is a display function is there. Where I have displayed, here it is there. So what is this one? This is called a function defining, and this is called a function calling. So same thing, on click is an event, a display car value is a function. So once I click on an event, then it is good. So once I click on this button, it is calling a on click event, and internally the display function value is called this method document.write the name of the car. So what is a car here? Car is an object. How to access the object values? The object name and the property name. So every object is having a two things, property name and property value. Property name, property value. So you have a question like that, sir. You have told that okay, here it is a object means states and behavior. Okay, but here we are seeing only state, car name, cost, and everything. So you can define a methods also, but normal object is having a property name and property value. So that is enclosed with the flower bracket. And one more thing, if it is a round bracket, so that is we can treat as in a function. If it is in a flower bracket, both right side and left side, it is an object. Okay, so array also it will come, we'll discuss in the later. So if you want to access the car object name means, so here it is a the object name dot property name. So object name is a car dot car name. So this is going to be display the Tata Tiago. So the cost is the car is an object and the cost is an this one. That is a 6 lakh. The model is a car is a object and a model is a Tata model 340. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. Now we are going to be displayed today is the next topics are, this is very important. Whatever the topics still we have studied and we are going to be studied. So throughout your life you are going to be working on, not study. Okay. Once you study now, then the work will come. So where to use the object, where to use a function, where to use an array, where to use an array of object, where to use a string and all. So first we'll go with a string. What is a string? A string is a sequence of a one or more character has uh, that may consist of letters, number, or symbols, anything. Okay. So I think seventh here we have discussed yesterday. So I will discuss one more time. What is a string? The string is a sequence of a character. So I think let x equals to, I want to take a string. If it is a string, so we are going to use a double quote or else single quote. Okay. So I use a double quote. So the string might contains the name. Um, let x equals to, or else I will use a name Virat Kohli. So this is also string. Let y equals to, sorry, let y equals to, let name equal to Virat Kohli. Let y equals to, what is this one? Something your mobile number. So this is also string. Let z equals to, something called a string, special characters, and numbers. Okay, the all three are string only. Then you sir, how it is possible? This number is there. How it is string? So if you enclose with a double quote, you can mention anything string A B C D characters, numbers, special characters, or anything. So that is treated as a string. Okay. So then, if you print this, how it is printing? Console dot log of the name and y z. Okay. So name means it is going to be printer Virat Kohli. So what is this gap means? So I am going to be make a gap to display the content. So Y means it is going to be display the number. Z means this is the value. So just I want to run the index7.html. Already it is running here. So if it is not running, just go here, localhost 5500. So index7.html, click here. So just do Control Shift I or right click and inspect. See Virat Kohli number. This is a string. So this is how it is displaying here. Okay, so this is called a what you can say the a string. String means it is a array of characters. So it is going to be store the array of characters. The array of character in the sense uh, it might be anything, number or something like that. So either you can use a double quote, that is also string, and this is also a string. Then I want to find the length of the string. We have defined the string variable. Then we have a n number of string methods are there. Okay, so that is what we are going to be discuss here. Okay, the car name, a string length. So length text. Okay, first we are going to be discuss with here. So I want to find the length of the a string. So how to find? So here it is a name is there. If you want to display the string length of this one name, so then so that is a the console.log, or else you can use a document.write. So anything we can use it. Okay, how to use it? So console.log of which length I want? The string variable length I want. So what is the string variable? The name is the string variable. So dot length is a method. Okay. So string length is there. Just going here. We'll go here. It is running here. The Virat Kohli is there. See 11 is there. So how it is printing? So it is the length 11 is it is going to be print. How it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10 characters are there, but it is showing the 11. So if you added a space also, it is going to be take up one character. So that is a string. So that is why I am telling this much deep in the sense. See now it is a 10. So in the interview they will ask like the aptitude. So tell me the length of this screen or number of characters took for the name. Then you are telling that okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You forget about this one. So that will be treated as a one string variable. Okay, so that is a string. How to get the string length? So if you want to print a letter, let something hello is my variable. So I want to declare the A, B, C, D, E, F up to X, Y, Z. Okay. So I want to print it. We know everyone how many characters are there for ABCD 26. So if you want to write a document dot write of so hello dot see so many methods are there. See last index log and everything. So we are not we are discussing in the later. Okay length. So we know ABCD is a 26, so now it is a 26 it is printing. So this is called a string a length method. Now string is also an object. How? So we discuss about the object. What is an object? Object is a real world entity which is having a states and behavior. Now string is a here it is a variable. So variable how we are declared using a let keyword. So string is also becoming an object. How? So let something called my ob, so something my method is a my variable equals to new. So what is the here? The string. The string you are using. The a string double quote Virat. Now this is like a object. Why? Because whenever you use a new operator, the string is become as a something as an object. So that object it is going to be store the value Virat. So that is it is a so we can say it is as a method. It is acts like as a method and passing a value. So that the object method is so this is a the string object. Okay. So what is the explanation? Normally, let JavaScript strings are primitive values created from the values. What is a primitive? So once you define, you cannot reassign, or else you cannot assign two values. So, but string can also be defined as an object. How? So let y equals to new string. So now y is in a string object. Okay. So when using a double equal to operator x and y, this equal. Okay. So here, when using the double equals to operator, x and y are equals. Okay, so let it be. See, double equals to what it will do and triple equals to what it will do. I will explain. So double equals to but only equals to means what? So the assigning the right value to the left. So that is called a equals to. Okay, so here we have done. So this is the Virat Kohli is assigning the value to the name. And one more thing, it will come a double equals to. What is a double equals to? Let's say if, okay, no, if I explain, you will get confused. Let it be. Double equals to, it is going to compare the values. Okay. Triple equals to compare the value and the data type. So you just have a look. So we are discussing about the functions and everything. Okay, if I explain this with a function means if function or if condition, you will get confused. So just what is this? The comparing the values and this is the comparing the values and it's a data type. Okay, so let's go with the next methods is a string methods. What are all the string methods? Okay, the string is in a variable or else it can be an object and its string is having some methods. So how to discuss about a string or method? So string is a variable. We are going to be display the string with a double quote and a single quote and what is that one? We can define an object and we can have a multiple a string variable along with the objects and variables. So here we have so many string methods are there. We are going to be discuss one by one. Okay, the first methods are like there are the two top three that is called a string. Slice is there, substring is there, and substrs are there. Okay, so we are going to be find one by one. The first one is a slice method. Okay, what is a slice? You heard about a mango slice or something like that. You have a whole mango. then we are going to be take a only part of that a slice. So that is called a slice. So then what are all the data we can send in the a string object? Okay, so let's take with the first one string variable. From the string variables to we cut into and two. The first one is a slice. The slice extracts the part of the string and return the extracted part in the new string. Okay, so let's go with the one example. So this is a very important. I am telling you that if you not understood, you can let me know. I will explain once again in text. But it is very easy. It's not a difficulty at all. Just the what I can say in simple word. It's like a common sense type of thing is. So index 8 dot html and the dot. Okay, so h2 the string methods. Okay, save it. Now what I am going to do, I want to write a string variable. So let a text equals to apple. So I want to take a, some comma banana comma kiwi. Okay, so then let sliced text. Sliced means cutted, means which we cutted from here. Sliced text equals to, so what is my text? Text dot slice of, where I will just okay, first I will, okay, before that I want to explain this one. I want to find the length of this one. So how to do? So document dot write of, so text dot, what is this one? Length we need to find, because it depends on the how, where we have to slice and all. Save it. So go here, so just change to the index 7 to the index 8, run it. Sorry, so index 8 index 8 dot html. So this is the 19 hours there, so just go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so 19 are there. Okay, so these 19 variables are the length. So what I will do, I want to slice. So how to slice? Let's say uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 7 to 3rd. Okay, for banana 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I want to display only banana. How to display only banana in the sense? So that is the from the index 7 to 13. Slice means what? Cut. So what is called a mango slice? We have a many one mango. You have sliced into three parts. So the same thing, we have a text variable. So that variable containing this value. So these values. So I found the length. Then the slicer text equal to text dot slice 7 comma 13. From the seventh index, it is going to be a slice to the 13. So this is the slicer text. Okay. So document dot write of, what is this one? A text. So I want to add some meaningful text. Okay, so just run it. We'll go here. So it is going to be print apple banana like this. So I want to add some meaningful words here before slicing a text, and I will add a break here. So what is a break will do? It is break the line. So before slicing text the apple, banana, kiwi. So then I want to add a one more document dot write of. So after slicing colon. So what is that after slicing the text? So slicer text. So this is I want to copy and paste here. Save it, run it. See, the banana is sliced. So we have a we have a apple, banana, kiwi. So that I sliced only banana from here. So this is a slicer text. I want to slice here kiwi fruit means what? So let I will go here 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now I want to slice only kiwi fruit. Out of this one, I want to slice from the text. So that is a 15 is a kiwi. From 15 to 19 kiwi is there. So before slice, this has to be displayed. After slice, the slicer text has to be displayed. Save it, run it. We'll go here. See the before slicing apple, banana, kiwi is there. After slicing kiwi is there. So this is how the slice. Slice means what? It is a the piece. So mango slices. If you just see the images, see these are all the one slice. Before that, this is the mango. If I cutting it in a slice, so that is a piecing it. So these are all the a slice. Okay, just I want to explain the size slice. That is why I told that. Okay, so the second, if you okay, what happens? There are two parameters are there. So from here to here, what happens if you ignore or if you leave the second parameter? So that is also we can do. Let something I can say a value. A equals to text dot slice of what is that one? 7 I will take. What will happen? So document dot write of what is this one? The sliced slicer text a. What is the difference here? Text dot slice both are same, but here I have from where to where we need to slice. But I have given only from where to start, where to end I didn't given. Okay, so it is going to be slice after 7. So just see the output. We'll go here. Okay, so I will add a some break here. So I will add one. The slicer text is banana kiwi. Why it is happening here? From the index 7. So where is the index 7? So here from here. So whatever the things are, you need to slide because I have mentioned only value one value. So this is called the slice passing the only one parameter. Okay. And one more thing. So I am doing from the something called a left to the right. Sir, what if I want to slice from the left to right? Sorry, right to left. So this is a left to right. I want to slice from the right to the left. Okay, so let do. So we already know this one. Let text is the apple, banana, kiwi is there. So we are counting from the left to the right. That is the positive value. If you want to slice from the right to the left, so here it is a right to the left. So then the negative value will come. So let left to uh, uh, right. See variable name you can anything you can give a string variable. Okay, let to write a dot slice of. So what is the value I need to give? So let's say I will give minus 6 and minus 12. Okay. So minus 6 comma minus 12. Save it. Document dot write of BRBR the slicer text from right to left. Okay. So this is how it will works. So document dot write the slicer text from the right to the left. Okay. So save it. So this is the text we are going to be sliced from the minus 6. What is the minus 6? So it is going to be start from here. 1, 2, 3. So I will minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So minus 12. So banana. Okay, let's see what is the output. So we'll go here. The slicer text from the right to left is not A. Here it is a text. It is a mistake is happened. Save it, run it. So the slicer text from the right to left text dot. So text is here. The slice and minus 6 minus 12. So copy, control V, save it. Sorry, spelling wrong. That's not an issue. Or else it has to be through syntax error. Okay, the slicer text from right to left. So right is here. The text. Okay, I will take ABC. ABC. Save it. Minus 6, minus 12. Sorry. I have done a little mistake. Here it is a minus 12 and minus 6. Okay, because I want to slice it taking as a negative value. So here it is a positive, first positive in the what happens. So here it is a starting and here it is an ending. For a negative, so here it is a starting and here it is an ending. So now we'll see the banana is there. How banana? Okay, so we are coming from here from the right to the left. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, 6. Okay, from the sixth index to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here it is a till minus 12. So this is a minus 12 because of it is going counting from the right to the left and a minus 6. So this is from the minus 6 from the here. So this is called as what you can say slice. Okay, if you mentioned only one value, so just I will remove this one, save it or run it. So it is like see banana, kiwi, everything is going to be displayed. Okay, now we are going with the next thing is called the substring method. So slice is over and a substring method. Okay, what is the substring method? So slice. The substring is similar to the slicer. The difference is that substring cannot accept the negative values. That's it. What is a negative value? So we have added a negative value. No, so this is not accepting the negative value. Okay. So we are going with the one more example. So I want to take a same example here. So let I will take a another name called what is it? AFC. Anything you can take a variable. So whichever it will come in mind, whichever the letter comes in mind, I took that AFC something like that. AFC. So same thing I will use this text only, or else I will use what you can say another. What is this one? Double quote. Okay. So now I will add uh, another thing called Virat, comma, Sehwag, comma, Dhoni. Okay, so I want to substring and slice is only same or same. Only it is not taking the negative value. So that is the thing. So whatever the discuss. So I don't want to go deep here. So just I want to discuss one example and we'll go for the next one. Okay. So now what happens? Let the part text. I take a one more variable. So that is a AFC dot sub str. Sub str is a method. So I want to take a save work. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So I want to take it from the 7. And one more thing is there. Here you are not specifying the length here. You are specifying a number of character. Okay, let's say after the seventh index, how many character you want? So what is the seventh index? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. So after seventh index, how many characters are there? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 character I need to mention here, not an index. The how many character you are going to be printed. So we'll go here. So we need to print, right? So here what happens? Document dot right of double quote the sub str string cutting and plus, sorry, plus, what is this one? The part text. So here it is a part text, right? So let's see. We'll go here, save it, run it. See, I will add some break here. So br tag, save it, run it. What is the string is the substring cutting is a part text from the part text where from seventh index to 6. The substring cutting is the same one. What is happening here? So up to here, this is the what is this one? Index 7. After index 7, how many characters you want? So that is I am mentioning here. So 6 is there. I will make a 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Up to here it has to be printed. Let's see. See, Dhoni is there. Okay, I think of one, one character I did a mistake, I think so. So this is called a index and this is called a number of character to display here. If you make a 2 means, so it is going to be printed SE only. See, SE only it is printing. Why? Because I have mentioned the number of character. If I mention a 5 bits, save it. What is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a noise, G is not printed here. Because I have mentioned only 5 characters. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how it is going to be work. Okay. So this is called a substring, we can say. In the slice method, what we are going to do, the start and end index and substring, there is a no negative value, and the start and the number of character or you want to display. So that is sub str. Okay. So this is a what we can say sub-str. The next is called the a substring method. So sorry, this is a what you can JavaScript slice method and a JavaScript substring. The substring is similar to the slice, and difference is substring cannot accept the negative values. And one more thing called a sub-str. Sub-str and sub string. See, all are cutting the string only. There is a slice difference is there, that's it. The first one is a JavaScript slice method. It is going to be take from where to where it is going to be a slice, and the second one difference is like that. So that is a substring method. Substring is a same to similar. Here, see, the substring and the slice is 90% same, only it is not taking the negative value. So what is the method? So there is a slice method. After this, see, if you use a second one is a substring is there, okay? The substring, what happens here? So it is a act as a same thing as what is this one slice, but only not taking the negative value. But where it is comes to the sub str, okay, sub str, the second parameter we are mentioning the number of character to display. The first one is the index from where to start, and the second one is the number of character to display. So this is called a what you can say the number substring. Okay, I want to explain one more thing. So let text slice means what? We are mentioning a string. So we are giving the two indexes from where to where, means from the 15th character to a 19th character. It means so you can slice this much. So this is called a slice method. The second method will come as a that is called a substring method. This is so this and this are both are exactly same only. Okay, but only thing here it is taking the negative values. Here it is not taking the negative value. That's it. Okay, so this is what the substring here. Here what we are doing, starting it is going to be take a index, and second is the length parameter it is taking. Okay, so starting is index. What is the index? Index is 7, and this is the length. So just I will mention here. So that is the AFC dot sub str bracket. So that is the first one is the index, second one is a length. So index means what? It is going to be find the index. Length means how many characters need to be displayed. So that is called a substring. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. The next string method will come. So that is a replacing a string. So what is the replacing a string? Okay, so let uh, text already is there. I will use a text one equals to welcome to welcome to a JavaScript programming language, something like that. So document dot write of the string before replace. So here the plus means the concatenation it will happen. Concatenation means adding. What is my string variable? So that is a text one. So here I will use a let text2 equals to so text1 dot replace of what is this one? what is the I want to replace the text, what a text to be replaced, and where to replace. Okay, so here what happens, so I want to replace here, what is this one, so JavaScript, and what instead of JavaScript, what I have to do, React.js web application. Okay, so what is happening here? So this is that my text variable, it contains the variable. Okay, so it is going to be print the text one. So what is this? Welcome to JavaScript programming language. Document dot write. So this is, it is going to print. So let text two equal to the text one dot replace. So what is the replace? So where the JavaScript will come, no? So that JavaScript will be replaced with the React.js web application. So then I want to print a document dot write of a bracket the string after replace the text to has to be printed. Save it, run it. We'll go here. The string, the string before replace is what? Welcome to JavaScript and JavaScript programming language. And here it is a welcome to React.js web application. So JavaScript is here replaced with the web application. So if you want to make it little bit bold, what is this one? Okay, so let it be. So what is happening here? So JavaScript is see here. Welcome to correct is there. So JavaScript is replaced with the React.js web application. The programming language here, it is the programming language is there. Okay. So this is the how it is going to be print the output. Okay. The string before replace welcome to JavaScript programming language. The string after replace welcome to React.js web application. So this is called a string replace. Okay, so why we need a replace or means, so you will get to know. So Three Idiots film you seen, right? So if you want to see the control F, something called SUB. So you have common things to replace or common things to update. You have 1,000 characters and you want to replace. So here, if you go for the Visual Studio, right? So if you want to control F, so if you just type a document, okay, document dot write is there. Okay, so document dot write. So this is a finding text, replacing text what? So that is a console.log. Same thing JavaScript. So it is going to be find all the text and it is going to be replace all. See now the console log it is there. So there is a no document dot write. So if you go here, the output is in the console here. See here. So how it is happening? Again, it is a coding only. So same thing they are going to do with a coding. So just do Control Z, save it, run it. So this is called the string methods. So replace. What if I want to do uppercase or to lowercase? So I have a text one. So some are small case and some are uppercase are there. So what I will do? Let text 3 equals to, so text 1 dot, I want to make it as a to uppercase. To uppercase, what is the uppercase you want to do? So this is the method. Text 1 is I done a uppercase and I have stored in the text 3. So just I want to print a document dot write of break. So why I am adding a break means it is going to be go for the new line and it is giving us some space. The string after break. Okay. So what is the that is a text three. Text three. Save it. We'll go to the output here. So text 3 is not defined. So how to debug the code in the sense? So this is a developer console. If I done any mistakes, it is going to be print this one. So okay, let a text 3. So let text 3 equal to text 1 uppercase. So text 3 it is there. Text 1 it is there. 2 uppercase. So text 1. Let's close this one. So here it is a text 1 is there. And from the text one it is going to be two uppercase method is there, so it is going to be document. Yeah, I done a little bit mistake, so I am making a text3. Here I am using a text text3, so that's why it is not printing out. Save it, run it. See the text one, the string okay, this is my text, how it is the welcome to JavaScript programming language. So this is a what we can say, uh, a small letter is there, so this is a one big letter, small letter, but here the all the letters are uppercase. So what I will do, I will take this text 3 where it is containing now text 3. So again I want to convert into all into lowercase. Okay, so this is the uppercase. So then let text 4 equals to, see again I done a mistake, text text 4. So I want to make a uppercase. Now text 3 is the uppercase. So that is why it is printing a text 3. So text 3 dot 2, sorry, 2 lowercase. Okay. So document dot right of double quote the string after lowercase plus, so text 4. Save it, run it. We'll go here. See here, the first string is a welcome to JavaScript normal is there. So I have done the text 3, that is a two uppercase method, so it is a making as a to all the uppercase where it is contained here in the text 3. So that is a here in the text 3. So here it is I displayed. Again I have done the text 3 to two lowercase method. So it is going to be convert all your capital letters to the small letter and it is going to be stored into the text 4. So here it is going to be print the value. So welcome to JavaScript programming. So this is how it is going to be work. Got it. So this is called a JavaScript, what you can say, a method. So then next is a concatenation. Okay, so here it is a my string is there. Okay, so what is a welcome to JavaScript programming language is my string, and I will take a one more string called a let text 5. Text 5 equals to welcome to JavaScript programming and become a full stack developer with a more or a mean stack. Okay, so document dot write of the second text is plus text 5. Okay, so here it is a, so this is a one text is there. Okay, welcome to JavaScript programming And one more text is the and become a full stack developer to mean or one stack. So what I want to do, instead of making the two sentences, I need to club and display item one. How to do this one? So for that, let the text 6 equals to, so let text 6 equals to, so that is the text 5 dot concat of, so I will add some space here, comma, 5 and okay. So for this text I need to do this one. So for this the text one, for this text one I need to add a text 5. So that's why the text 5. So document dot write of, so document dot write of uh, how to display. So let's say mm, text 6, save it, run it. See here. So this is the first text, and this is the JavaScript programming language, and we have displayed a all the text. Become a full stack developer, learn and mean stack. Okay. So here I need to add some break here. Okay. Br br the text one and text y is added. Save it, run it. Okay, see here. This is the and become a full stack developer is the text 5 is there. So text 1 is this one. Welcome to JavaScript program. The text welcome to JavaScript programming language and become a full stack developer with the mean and one stack. So this is called a concat. So concatenation. So what is the method? The concat is the method. Okay, fine. So we are going to be stop this session.